Mama.
Baby bird. You came home.
Mama. Mama.
Thank you so much for bringing her home.
You're welcome. We couldn't have done it without you.
Chibi USA, we did it.
We did it. We did it. We did it. Hooray.
We did it. We did it.
We got the baby bird back home to the little blue tree. We did it. We did it. We did it. Hooray.
We went through a cornfield and got Mommy Bird a present.
We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Swipe tried to swipe the flower from baby bird. But we stopped him and we got her back home. Yay. Hooray. We did it. We had such a great trip today. What was your favorite part of the trip? I like that part.
My favorite part of the trip was when we did the silly dance, and the baby bluebird laughed.
That was funny. My favorite part was when the baby bluebird returned to her mommy. And hey, let's count the stars we collected. Alright. Let's count the stars.
1 star.
2 stars.
3 stars.
And silly star makes 4 stars. Thanks for helping. We couldn't have done it without you. We'll see you later.